Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Agriculture Engineering. In this today's 19th lecture, we are going to discuss most frequent question asked in interviews or asked in exams where practical knowledge of tractor has been asked. So the question is, why tractor tires are filled with water? We discuss in this question, we will learn one important terminology and concept related to tractor mechanization. So let's continue our lecture. Before starting our lecture, these are our some handles where you can directly contact us and have talk with us for more guidance as well as study material and mock test. Also we are on Instagram as BTech Agri, so do follow and encourage us to create this free edu content. So guys, we will discuss why tractor rear tires are filled with water. This is an ordinary tractor. Whenever it is in operation, we will see one important concept, the center of gravity. When we attach any implement to tractor here and the tractor moves in forward motion, but while the implement creates negative pull to the tractor, so that the center of gravity of the operator is shifted backward. While loading a trolley, same happens here. The trolley has nearly about more than 500 kg weight if it is fully occupied. So the center of gravity from the operator seat shifted to somewhere back to its seat. So it will create that the weight of center of gravity is the point where the actual weight of the total machine is experienced. So guys, if the center of gravity changes here or somewhere here when it is in operation with implement or trolley, the tractor will get lifted or turned, so it will cause accident as well as it will reduce its efficiency. So to maintain the center of gravity of the tractor, the water or the ballasting process has been carried out. So guys, the filling of the water in the tire is called as ballasting. We will see why the ballasting has been done to agricultural tires. By adding ballast means additional weight. So additional weight has been added to the tractor to work more effectively and safely. Adding ballast to the rear tires on your agriculture vehicle makes tractor operation safer in these circumstances. With a heavy rear plow attached, adding ballast to your front tires will increase steerability. So guys, ballasting is the process of adding of weights, is called as ballasting. It helps tractor to reduce slipping of the rear tires, thus improving the pulling power. Ballasting is of two types. First one is cast iron and second one is liquid ballasting. We will see one by one. Cast iron ballasting. In cast iron ballasting, the metal plates, see here some metal plates has been attached to the tractor. Some metal cast iron weights are attached in the front of the tractor as well as in the back of rear tractors. So these are some metal plates added to the rear tractors to maintain the weight of the tractor. We will see the cast iron. Cast iron weights are the most convenient and can be changed according to the ballasting need. These weights can be added either at the front or at the rear. This is decided based on the implement and the application of the tractor. So guys, whether to attach this cast iron in the front or the back of the tractor are decided on our operation. If we are doing plowing operation, we will add this cast iron weights at the front, so the maximum center of gravity we should maintain near the operator's seat. This is also some kind of plates, metal plates attached at the rear wheel, so that we will get a definite traction. Then it comes liquid ballasting. In liquid ballasting, we can add any kind of liquid listed below, not any kind, the liquids which are listed below to add weights on the tires. So agriculture tires Valves are usually of air and water type. So liquid ballasting can be done from the following liquid. So these are some liquids which we will use to do liquid ballasting. First one is water, second one is calcium chloride, then antifreezing liquid, beet juice and foam. As if our thumbnail was saying about water ballasting and why tractor tires are added with water, we will discuss water ballasting here. So water ballasting, guys, addition of water in the rear wheel is called as water ballasting. Water ballasting is done to reduce the slippage of the rear tire and to increase its traction. Obviously, to reduce slippage and to increase the traction, the water ballasting is done. So guys, here one question for you: what is the slippage? If you know, please comment in the comment section. Let us know that what is slippage. So in water ballasting, it involves filling water in the rear tires, maintain water to the air ratio as 75 to 25. So guys, here you will see the whole rear tire is not filled with water. It's just 75% of water is filled and 25% of tire is kept with air. So it is air water ballasting, not only water ballasting. So here air also plays important role. Never fill the tire completely with water. Filling 100% of water can damage the tire and tube. So this was the disadvantage of filling rear tire with 100% water. Now how the water filling operation done in the tire? First one is, first jack up the wheel, then hold the valve at 12 o'clock. So it is a valve of water filling, so keep it at a 12 o'clock. Then remove the valve and air will be released. So remove the valve and let inside air come out. Fill the bottle with the force till tube completely filled. So until the tube completely filled, we have to feed the water. Rotate the wheel and bring valve about 10 o'clock position. So this wheel we have to, it is in 12 o'clock position, we will bring this valve in 10 o'clock position. So 25% of water will be get automatically out of the tire. So extra water will spill out and approximately 75% of water will remain in the tube. Now hold the valve at 12 o'clock position. Again we have to hold the valve at 12 o'clock position and close the valve and fill the air to maintain the pressure. Again, if the water is filled with 75%, we have to fill some air with a air vacuum so that air pressure will be maintained, and air pressure we have to maintain among 14 to 16 psi. So guys, this was the procedure of filling of water in the agriculture tires. If you love our video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. This is the one question for you guys: why rear wheels of tractor are big in the size? And the answer of this question we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.